What up everybody, GadgetPinoy here, and today I'm going to unbox this wireless game controller from the company GameSir. If you don't know, this company has been selling controllers like Xbox, Nintendo, and more since 2013. So if you're interested, the link is in the description below. They can ship worldwide, so go check them out. Now let's unbox this bad boy. Right off the bat, this is the actual box itself. This is the Supernova multi-platform wireless game controller, but if you go to their website, you can choose a lot of controllers that you like, and it works with PC, Switch, Android, and iOS. On the top, you will see some of the key features of this controller, and below that, you will find details about its functionalities. You can download the software or app and customize it to your preferences. And later, we're going to test its functionalities and features, so stick around. On the other side of the box, you will see a QR code for their Discord community, and I believe their website as well. So you can scan it and join them if you like. And at the back, you will see an image of the controller along with the details explaining its key features, and later on we're going to discuss them. Now let's open the box. First, you will see the controller and a charging stand. Underneath, there's a wired Type A to Type C cable and some free stickers, company informations, and a user manual guide. So that's pretty much everything inside the box. Now let's take a closer look at this controller. So my first impression, I really like the design and the color scheme. It got this nice gradient vibe that makes it look premium. It's different from other controllers that are usually just black or one solid color. It also feels really comfortable to use, especially if you're gaming for long hours. And if you look closely, you can tell it's pretty durable, especially with the texture's grip. And at the back, it gives you more stable and secure hold while playing. So it has a 3 connectivity modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and a wired connection. The ABXY buttons are swappable, so it means you can switch them around and customize it to your preferences by using the app that you can download it. It also has a Hall effect sensing stick, which use Hall effect sensors instead of the traditional potentiometers in the thumbsticks. This is super useful because it helps eliminate stick drift, which is a common problem with most controllers. It also features adjustable travel Hall effect triggers, meaning you can adjust the travel distance from the trigger by simply sliding this from left and right buttons to enable it. You will definitely notice the difference when you try it. And it comes with a turbo or a macro function. This is for rapid fire effect and allows you to assign multiple buttons presses to a single buttons. This is really useful for fighting games and other action-packed games. So this controller has RGB lighting effect, and the cool thing is that it's customizable. You can choose the lighting based on your preferences. It also has a texture grip design. On the back of the controller, there's a non-slip texture grip that makes it more comfortable to hold, so you won't get tired even during a long gaming session. Another awesome feature is that you can remove and replace the faceplate because it's magnetic. That means you can change the color or style wherever you want. So the fun part of this one is, let's try this controller and play some games, so bring it on. So the joysticks feels really smooth since it's pretty sensitive when I look up and down. When I rotate it, the sensitivity is super high, but there's no lag at all. It's really responsive. If you're playing high-end games, it should still feel great. I didn't notice any delay at all. It's super smooth. You can also set up key mapping, and it's actually really easy. You just go to the app and you'll see all the options there. You can customize everything, including the ABXY button layout. There's also a macro function, which is awesome if you play fighting games. The vibration is really nice too. You can adjust it however you want. You turn it up and down depending on the game. If you're playing an action game, the vibration makes it feel even better. As for the battery, I've tested it a few times while gaming. though not for super long session. For what I've seen, it lasts around like 5 to 6 hours, but not totally sure. Probably somewhere around that. Eventually, yeah, the battery will run out soon. And that's pretty much my thoughts on this controller. And yeah, that is a wrap. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-packed controller that works well across multiple platforms, this is a great choice. Just make sure the games you play on mobile supports controller, or you may need additional setup. Despite minor drawbacks, it's a solid controller that delivers a great gaming experience. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again for the next one. Peace out, everybody.